Hey, Lincoln County R3, a question we've had a lot over the last few years is what's the best way for me to project my iPad up onto my smart board or just through my projector so that my students can follow along with me? The Macs make that a pretty simple process now. The first thing that you need to do is plug in your iPad into your Mac using your charging cable. So my devices are hooked up together right now. And then you're going to open up QuickTime. Now, I already have QuickTime open because I'm making this video, but it's very simple to do. You just do a spotlight search. So Command Space Bar, type in QuickTime and hit enter. That will open up the queue in the dock down here, so I know that QuickTime is open. I'll also know it's open because it'll say QuickTime Player up here in the upper left-hand corner. Now we're going to go to File and click on New Movie Recording. Now, the default setting is to use the camera, the FaceTime camera that's on your. So the first thing you'll probably see is a picture of yourself. I have a piece of tape on there right now so that we don't have to worry about that. But then we just need to change the video source. So if I come down here next to the record button, there's a little arrow I can click. And then if I click iPad, the two devices will kind of start talking to each other, and then real shortly my iPad will be projected onto my screen. It may try to open up your photos like it tried there, but then other than that, that's it. I can come up here and make this full screen if I'd like, and then if I turn my iPad sideways, it'll adjust. Now I could also be recording this right now, and then everything that you do will be recorded and saved to a video file. That would be great if you're wanting to try some flipped classroom lessons or whatever you'd like to use that for. But then everything I do on my iPad now is projected onto my screen. It's very smooth and works pretty quickly. Apps are the same way. Here's EduCreations. I know that's a popular app as well. So I just wanted to show that to you. Of course, the other thing that we have to think about right now is that our Macs are not hooked up to our projectors. So the temporary solution is you can real soon check out a converter from your library that will allow that to happen. And then, of course, next year we'll have our docking station, so it'll be taken care of. So I just want to show that to you now for use this year or perhaps in the future.